No, 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 no.
Come on, Sockhead. It's gonna be insane. Kevin Rolf can bring booze. You've got this sick sound system. We could get Rolf as a DJ.
Yeah, come on, Double D, you're gonna be 18. You gotta lighten up.
Naz could come too.
She's with Kevin, Eddie.
Kevin Schmevin. They're not gonna last. Come on, man. We'll get some drink in you. You'll get that duck courage.
Dutch courage, Eddie. I can't fathom the amount of work that'll go into it. And then the cleanup effort afterwards? Mother and father are very vigilant when it comes to stains and spills.
And they've been away for weeks. What's your point? Trust me, it'll be super easy.
Barely an inconvenience.
Yo, give me the lighter, Ed.
Hey, up.
Why'd you throw it down there, you moron?
Or the camera?
What camera, Ed?
You know, the one we used for the film for your brother.
Lumpy, I haven't seen that camera for like 5 years. I think Rolf took it. Yeah. You sure you don't want to hit Double D?
How many times do I have to tell you? The risks involved. It's a gateway drug. It can lead to more—
Oh man, just shut up, will ya? I'm enjoying this.
We are two Smokies and a bandit.
So, how come we aren't showing our faces?
budget?
Hey guys, George here, the guy who started all this, coming at you all the way from down under. So this mini-sode was originally meant to be released in late December. Obviously that didn't happen. The original intent behind the mini-sodes was to be character pieces with minimal animation for quick production and quick release. Unfortunately, due to a multitude of reasons, production for this one was delayed. But we're hard at work and I'm hugely excited for what's coming next. Episode 1 is next on the agenda. It's a fully animated episode with almost all of the characters that you know and love. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please give us a follow on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All links for those can be found down below. We've also recently started up a Patreon, hopefully to boost production. Feel free to become a patron for that as well. That would genuinely mean the world to all of us. But yeah, I just want to thank you all so much for all of your support, and we can't wait to show you what's next. Take care.